How to dollar cost average on Robinhood. So step 1, open the Robinhood app. So launch the Robinhood app on your phone. After that, choose a stock or ETF. So search for stock or ETF you want to invest in. Tap on it to open its page. So after that, decide your investment amount. So choose how much money you want to invest regularly, and dollar cost average means investing the same amount over time. After that, set the schedule. So Robinhood does not have automatic dollar cost grading or averaging yet, and you need to manually buy shares on your choose schedule, which mean weekly, monthly. Now, after that, buy shares regularly. So on your schedule, open the app and buy the chosen amount of the stock or ETF. This spreads your investments and lowers risk. Finally, track your investments. So keep track of your purchases and watch your investment grow over time. And this is how to dollar cost average on Robinhood. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.